Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the FD that will back the card. Call or log into your bank and confirm FD amount, account number, and current lien rules. Most banks need original KYC documents and a minimum FD tenure. Once you know the permitted percentage, commonly 70% to 100%, decide the target limit you want. Next, choose whether to apply online or in branch. Applying online saves time, while branch applications let you sign lien forms immediately. You now complete the formal application and authorize the bank to place a lien on the FD. Attach or quote the FD reference, upload PAN or ID, and sign the hypo-the-cation form. This legally secures the limit. The bank then verifies the FD and your identity. Verification usually takes 24 to 72 hours. Once verification succeeds, the bank calculates the sanction limit, usually a percentage of the FD, and prepares the card. Make sure your contact details are accurate for delivery and activation. When the card arrives, inspect it and activate immediately per the bank's instructions. Phone OTP, app, or ATM. You should set a PIN and review billing cycles and minimum due. Remember, the FD remains blocked as collateral, but you must still pay monthly dues to avoid interest charges. Once activated, make a small purchase and pay to confirm billing. If activation or sanction fails, check that the lien was placed, all KYC matched, and escalate to the branch manager if needed. This usually resolves common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.